1:30 in the morning. Some people still awake at 1:30 in the morning. I went to the pub. This is a Friday, but actually no, it's Saturday. Actually no, it's Sunday now. But I went to the pub on Saturday, the 12th of September 2021. I went to the pub. I was going to go live stream at 8:30, but I did it early because I was going to do it the day before. Didn't happen. I was going to do it the day before that, and that's when it sort of happened, but it didn't work out. No, it posted done on the Thursday. No, it was going to happen Thursday, but it didn't happen till Friday. Oh no, it was supposed to happen Friday. Then I did it. No, I ended up changed it down or something. Sorry guys, I can't remember now. Been to the pub. But I did live stream early before I went to the pub. And I was tired. I put a link on it. I put a link of that live stream. About nearly enough an hour. There were a couple of scammers, but I blocked them. Let me see if it's active output. Yeah, and I am tired, but I've been tired before I went to the pub. I felt a bit dizzy. Came down about 12 o'clock. Coming up to it's 1:30. Nearly enough coming to 2 o'clock. I'm less dizzy than I were. But I just can't sleep because I just can't. Nothing here. Nothing in that corner. Walking up some steps. Nope, nothing in that corner. I hope what's this? Oh, can I take them off? Right guys, I found a light. Ready? There's a light here, let's show you, I know you can't see it. But I say you morning. So it's been raining last night. Yeah, so you know. Let's take that apart, see what's inside that. Yeah. It's been raining and all. Yeah, that's what I collected last night. Yeah, this day still. I'm gonna see if I can put them into that light instead. Let's put them back instead, I don't know. Perfect fit. Perfect fit in there. Put them in there. Yeah. Here you go. Just going for a walk. Looking at that. Oh. Yeah, looking at bits of up. Looking at these factory lights. just like this in the factory, just like some factories, I've got new lights on. And guess what, this is about 1 o'clock in the morning. It's just, I've been going to sleep late and waking up early. Where I got out of my mind to something. I got my mind in and stuff. And then bang. You know, if I had a better Kangway and I can trust social media more, where people keep stuff to the same, like if they know where I live, just keep it. It's just popping words with some people, you know, where you get your local area and they go, it's like, especially your local area, where you get mostly like them where they know you to be a YouTuber, then them out there. But then, if I say like, me, I live in one area, you get your local people, but probably go, oh yeah, that's that guy from YouTube, bro. I have that a few times. Yeah, I had that a few times. And because I did it once, I had when I went to college once, and I came back from college, and then I went to a painting and decorating course, and I met a few lads in that. Sorry guys, you're going to be in dark for a while. And I used to, when I came back from painting and decorating course, that's why I'm trying to be quiet and I can't. Yeah. And I used to hang around with some lads in that from the course. And the one guy says, oh that's not Sam from YouTube. And we had a chat in that. But then it kept him showing off, climbing up the top of the building. And I weren't going to tell him because if he thought I was that building, I know. And I filmed it. Then it got removed because it dangerous activities. And he just did it so off. And when I went and filmed him, I put it on. 2 days later, he said, oh, you filmed me, didn't you? I said, yeah. That was nice. And I said, nice. I know you didn't ask me. I said, mate, I think you just did that to show off, didn't you? He said, yeah. Okay. And there was a woman there said, I don't totally know you, but I've seen a couple of you videos, but yeah, he did that to show off, but she didn't say no because she went, no, well, it's not my kid, so it's not my problem. I said, yeah, I know. It's not my fault either, if it falls off, it's not my full responsibility if it falls off at the building or not. Because he did it to show off and I didn't tell him to do it or not. and that video got shut down, and that's when I had to get rid of the channel completely. Because the time that video got put over, I got turned off of it, you know. But my channel usually called, but one time my channel usually called Monster Scrap Metal, and then I deleted it. Then I called it something else, and then I took it down. And then remade the channel again. But then I totally forgot I could have just changed the title. But then look at me now. I got Markstone Entertainment in life, Markstone Limited, Trains with Markstone, Trams with Markstone, and many others. Yeah, I know where I am for taking some back lanes. I can see when I'm walking, but you can't. That's why if I could find a better camera where I can change it a bit, it could tell what I can see. That'd be alright. So they're going to pick up some stuff. Yeah, there was somebody there, no. But drugs. How did drugs come into this world? Don't have a clue. Some people laughing, saying something wrong, and then they get taken off. But see, it when it's daylight, what I just collected. So, yeah, just gonna get in there. I'll tell you what I got. That's what I collected. Just need tyres pumped. Nope, that's it.